Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. You guys are gonna spend the weekend with me. My weekend right now is starting on Thursday. So today I'm about to clean up the house. Pretty much half of my house stays clean. Like usually the kitchen area stays clean for the most part, and my bathroom. But I trash everything. So it's clean in here now because I cleaned up half of it last night. And for some reason, before I go to work, usually I put my dishes in the dishwasher, like in the morning. I don't know, whatever, that's just what I do. So I do dishes in the morning for some weird reason. So I'm gonna do the dishes, and then I have to go to the gym. I gotta clean my room and my closet. Honestly, right now the way I'm feeling, I need to go get some coffee. So we might just like pause this whole thing and go to Starbucks. And we are back. Hey guys, I had to get coffee. So I got a caramel macchiato with almond milk iced because my body don't like really dairy that much. I just like milk that much, but it's okay. So I actually went ahead and did the dishes off camera. My dishes are already done, but I'm about to go ahead and clean my room real quick. I do not like my pillows. I want to change those so fucking bad. I'm over it. So I'm gonna go in here. Oh my god. So I have to get all this stuff together in my room. Hello.
I just make sure you got up.
I'm up. I already got Starbucks and everything. Hold on. Makeup. I'm on live right now. Hey. But I want to run some errands and stuff. I feel like every time I run errands, I end up running into somebody. And then my video is fucked up. Okay. But, so I'm just gonna talk to them for a little bit, and then once I get done with my makeup, we're gonna head out or whatever. Sorry, my line's messed up. It like disconnected for some reason. Okay, so this is my finished look. This is my finished look for the day. I got a call. I'm like, they're like, well, where are you going? I'm like, just out. So this is a quick weave that I have in my hair, and of course you can see that it's black, like my hair, and then my hair goes into this brown color. So we're just living with it, whatever. This isn't the hair color that my hair used to be, but it was like brighter than this, and I dyed it black, and then it just keeps reverting back to blonde. So I was like, you know, fuck it, we're not gonna do black because my hair's not gonna match with black. My hair doesn't match with 1B, it don't match with anything. So I was like, you know what, whatever. So let me show you guys what I have on. Okay, so this is just like, oh my gosh, like red eyeshadow. Y'all, I'm doing the utmost today. So I was gonna throw on a hat. At first I was like, maybe I should just throw on a hat and have my hair like really flat, but my hair, I curled it, so maybe I won't do that. I don't know. I guess we'll see in a second. All right, y'all, so I'm wearing, I just have on this jacket I got from Shein, this purse that I got from Forever 21, this Lucky Label one piece bodysuit, and some seat battens. So we're just kind of going with like the non-neutral neutral. I just kind of threw this on, honestly. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. All right. Plus, that's the only thing that's gonna look right with me putting on red eyeshadow. Y'all, clearly I did not think this out. Like I kind of was just like, I want to wear red eyeshadow today. Fuck it, let's do it. And I was actually gonna wear pink, but I don't even wear eyeshadow anymore. So I don't even know what was wrong with me this morning, but I feel like it and I did it, so okay. So I want a snack and I'm getting some McDonald's fries, so y'all gonna have to be okay with that.
Hi, may I take your order?
Hi, can I get a small fry?
I guess. Anything else?
No, that's all.
All right. 205, huh? Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, he said, I guess. Let me see. What else we got? What else we got? I think I'm going to the second window. I think at some point you probably just don't give a fuck about this camera. But right now, I care, and it's weird to be like, for me, it's weird. Oh, I'm vlogging all day long. So the moment I get okay with this, that's the moment that we good. I'm tired though. My friend wants me to go meet her at the beauty supply store all the way across town. It's for her birthday, so we gotta go look and see what kind of wig she's gonna get for her. She's gonna put on a wig for her birthday, so y'all see that too. I'm not really doing too much tomorrow, but Saturday we're supposed to be doing a couple of things, so yeah. Hi. Can I get some honey mustard too, please? Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too. Hungry. Oh my god, they ain't got no seasoning. I knew I should went to Bojangles. So me and my little friends, me and my friends, they are for my friend Bianca's birthday. Y'all gonna meet her in a minute. We are going to go to like a stripper pole workout session thing, so that'd be pretty fun. Let me go this way. It's gonna be pretty fun. And we're gonna see what kind of movies we got, because I'm trying to see what's up. What's up with you? I'm confusion. Every single Friday it freaking snows every weekend. Confused. So yeah, we're almost there. I'm like probably like 20 minutes out from it. So we're kind of like not almost there. But like runway, so whatever. But yeah, so y'all gonna see these bitches act crazy whenever we get in here. Okay, so oh my god, it's fucking crazy. But at the gym, so we're just gonna make a detour. That's so fucking crazy. So I'm probably gonna be here for like an hour, and then I'm just gonna leave. And then I'm gonna go get something to eat after I leave here. I'm gonna just do like some cardio, which I'm doing right now. Just do funnies. Maybe might do like a full body work maybe. I like food focus workouts, but today's like Saturday, so we'll see. And then I lost my fucking AirPods. So I have to listen. I got like these ear pop things from Target. So I have to go buy some parts too. So yeah. got this. I bought a new let me show my food. But so the first thing I got is some crab dip. I look so crazy in this camera. But the first thing that I did, what was I about to tell you? Okay, so y'all, when I was out to eat just now, I had to turn off the camera because I ate. First of all, I ate right. I had crab artichoke dip, nasty. I had to take it back. I don't even like doing that. Second thing I got, shrimp and grits, nasty. I had to take that back. I was like, oh my god. So I was like, you know what? Let me just get a buffalo chicken sandwich. You can't go wrong with that. It's not gonna be, so it can't be nasty. Like there's no way. So ordered that with some fries, and I was like, let me just take it to go. So that's what I have. I'm like sitting here eating it because I took it home. But I'm trying to figure out what the rest of my afternoon is gonna look like. I'm trying to, I am trying to see how the rest of my afternoon is gonna look, because I was either gonna take this hair out or not take this hair out. So yeah, I put this hair in for like a week or something like that, but I didn't get like the best hair. So yeah, I need something real quick, fast. So we'll see.